GardX Protect Cosmetic Maintenance Plan. Nothing ages a vehicle like the minor damage that accumulates with time on the road. GardX Cosmetic Maintenance Plan provides periodic maintenance inspections to your vehicle's bodywork, up to 4 times per year. You can book your vehicle in at the dealership for a full cosmetic inspection. And where needed, treatments will be carried out to repair minor chips, dents, scuffs and scratches. Drive away with peace of mind and keep your car in showroom condition with GardX. Ask your dealer today. Protect your pride and joy. Go with GardX.